Hey, welcome. Video service information here. Today we're looking at a 2014 Chevy Corvette. The customer was complaining that while driving down the road, the vehicle died. They smelled an odor like a burning fluid smell. Then the car wouldn't turn over. No click, no crank. So the vehicle was towed into the shop. Vehicle's only got around 44,000 miles on it. It's got the 6.2 engine in it. Got the vehicle up in the air and noticed that it was a clicking and snapping noise coming from the bell housing area, and we were able to get this thing to run up on the lift. Got looking at the inside the torque tube area, and we could see metal filings around that area. Better image here. You can see all this metal down in the corner here, and you get the torque tube bearing. Got my borescope and looked out to the top of the torque tube bearing, and you can see how it's separating here from the case. And there's metal debris coming out of that area. It was actually putting pressure against the flywheel and the starter. At times, depending which position it would be in, they couldn't get the vehicle to start, and that was the reason. And you could see some metal here too around the starter, how it was grinding against the flywheel. So not 100% sure why you didn't hear these noises, or if they just weren't paying attention to it, but very evident. See the undercarriage here. Looking at the transmission. Didn't see any signs of impact damages anywheres. So this thing is going to need a new torque tube, flywheel, and starter. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I put up a new video. Have a nice day.